I get a lot of questions about our classroom, so let's look inside. So the first thing you'll notice is we have all of our games and like craft type kits in one area. On the bottom here in these bins, we've got paints, we've got extra school supplies, we've got all of our science experiment equipment, we've got a whole bin of card games, and then we've got our globe. We've got the social emotional learning little tools over here. We've also got the social emotional learning big ones, and then our actual curriculum is over here on the other side. Also on this side is going to be the school little caddy thing with all of her supplies. Our wheel, she likes to spin the wheel to see what subjects we're doing when. We've got our state board up here. We've got room for another one over on the side. And then we've got any extra curriculum that we're using. We've got workbooks. We've got fun books. We've got the thesaurus and the dictionary. I teach a lot of classes in the homeschool community, so we've got lots of extra curriculum for that. And then, of course, you can never have enough notebooks, including my notebooks for my middle school history class this year. And then if you come over here behind the door in this little corner, these are all of her art projects. So anytime she does something for school or sometimes even just for fun, we like to put it over here on display. Her friends come over and see this. Sometimes my friends will come and see this. It's nice to have her work in a corner. We've got a lot of decor, obviously, lots of pictures. And then when I get things from students, I put them up on the wall or put them on my desk. I try to keep them somewhere that I can see them. This usually has some kind of homeschool saying right now. All we have is the word Jesus left, which is perfectly fine. We'll put something up there. And then we've got my printer, my little desk area. Got some pens I gotta put away. This is where a lot of the tutoring happens. This is where all the tutoring packs are made. We also homeschool here. Sometimes we homeschool at the pool, sometimes we homeschool downstairs, but this is kind of like where everything is supposed to happen. And then our bulletin board, we need to redo for the season. Our spelling words will go up here with the science wall. We've got our cart with everything that we're doing currently for the semester, so it can easily be pulled over to the desk. And then if you flip on over here, I love these. These are, I don't remember what they're called actually. They're basically like Jeopardy timers. I've used these for lots of different classes. They're good when me and Glory are doing timing things together where we're against each other. We just really like this. We bought this for junior church years and years ago, and we've used it ever since. And then I also love these really cool little timers we have back here. You can see poster boards and things are behind this. I also have a rolling cart with all the teacher supplies, a few other crafting supplies, hot glue gun, that kind of thing. And then this closet has a bunch of extra cardstock, and my binding machine is in there. Just lots of things that make the pieces all put together. And yeah, you can look around. This is what our classroom looks like. You do not need a classroom to homeschool. You do not need a specific space. A dining room table works just fine. But I will say I am very thankful for our space. This makes it very easy to concentrate, for me to get work done, for her to get school done.